Nekoromo gikawa sudo podwane motene kod weche mag somo kama jaod bura ma Naivasha Jane Kihara okwedo wach mar migawo mar somo mar nyiso ruodhi ni ochok jopuonjre duto manorem donjo e grade mar 10 mondo tere skul kama wacho ni mago gin mana weche makayiem. Jaod bura no owacho ni sekta mar somo chomo kamarach kaluwore kod rem keto chenro mong'ith nok mar omenda to kod telo ma ok ni kare. E chak juma ni migawo mar arita nonyiso ruodhi mondo okony e manyo jopuonjre moyo 400,000 manorem donjo e sikunde grade mar 10 e sikunde mag senior. Kihara wacho ni pek mar ngima oketo jonyuol kama tek, gima nomiyo ginyal tero nyithindgi e skul kaka dwarore.
We don't know the way forward. You see, he has sent chiefs to go and look for kids to go to school. He has not given the chiefs money. We know where they are. They are at home because there is no money. And then you are telling us, for optics, the chiefs are all over to make sure that children go to school. Children are not going to school because of anything else other than money. The teachers are also desperate how to sustain them. But you have heard him singing. He has employed the most teachers since independence. We know there are shortages. But in some areas also, I can tell you, the other day I complained because he's given teachers to the areas that he thinks he has friends. That is also another jigsaw in this government. And I'll not stop saying, because I'm talking the truth. I want to tell Kenyans the truth. The problem is serious.